So I have already found the best credit card strategy of 2023 3 times. And yeah, I need to talk about it one more time because I got something here. So if you take a look, you can clearly see that this is a table. And this is the table I use to organize all of my credit cards and what credit cards I plan on getting. So I just got my Marriott Bonvoy Boundless. And unfortunately, I really need to spend money on it because I'm moving in like 3 days. I need to buy a mattress and I'm still waiting for the card in the mail. So that's a little frustrating. I also just product changed my Freedom Unlimited, which is a terrible card, and I finally have the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now I can use all of my 190K 170K Ultimate Rewards points for magical vacations that I definitely plan on taking in the near future. For the Marriott card, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I can't really spend $5,000 in 3 months. I just wanted to get, no, I'm kidding. I'm moving, so mattress, plates, all that stuff. I have it calculated out in this exact Excel document. I am estimating that it'll approximately cost me $1,764, okay? That's pretty good. Not too much, not too little. That's just what it costs for me to move. The good thing here is that I already saved this cash up in a checking account. Actually, it's not a checking account, it's a SoFi Vault. That's right, the SoFi Vault savings account. Hashtag, this is not an ad. I just like it. Okay, so now you know what I'm already doing this year. You can see that I am over 524. This is the first time I've ever been over 524, but it's okay because I plan on dropping right back under in October, but I'm probably gonna go right back over. So as you guys know, we all watch each other's YouTube videos here in the credit card community, and I saw Stan the Credit Frog talking about 524 and why it might be a good thing.
Look, he's talking about 524.
I agree with you, Stan. Now, I know lots of you might not agree because 524 is kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But there's just something about Amex that intrigues me, you know what I'm saying? Like Amex got that dog in them, bro. Like, I'm trying to get an Amex card now. I'm done with Chase. I mean, I get it, dude. Amex can be a tough place. There's some high annual fees on those cards, and you gotta know what you're doing. With Chase, it's a little bit easier since the annual fees are lower, and you are stuck to the 524 rules, and it kind of outlines it to make it a little bit easier for you to plan. With Amex, you don't know what's gonna happen when you go to apply. Ever heard of pop-up jail? No, but for real, I'm really freaking excited to get out of 524. I don't care. I'm gonna go way over 524. Like, I'm gonna go to like 1024. I mean, it was a lot of fun being a beginner. I do remember the good old times. The good old times of being at like 224. Got like 1 credit card or 2 credit cards. You guys gotta enjoy it. But moving on, I think this Marriott card will suit me well. You wanna know why? It's because I'm gonna get 5 free nights. Who cares? As long as you use them, you should be okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and book some vacations. You know why? Because vacations are fun. I like to just chill, you know? I like Paris. I want to keep going to Paris. I think it's a good place. I like thrift shopping in Paris. You can get some fresh clothes for like €5, bro, I'm telling you. So in my hotel strategy, I'm looking for a place to stay. Not an all-inclusive resort, not a big fancy hotel, and not something that's not right in the middle of the city. I want to invite you to think about how you travel. Lots of videos online assume this for you and build credit card setups for their own style of travel. Everyone is different. I am personally an explorer style. I like to get a cheap hotel, something that'll get the job done, and I want it to be right in the middle of the city. I just need a place to sleep, and I want to go out and explore for the day. Some people on the other end of the spectrum want an all-inclusive resort. Maybe something that'll give them really good service. Maybe a place where you can hang out all day and relax. Like the Big Sur Ventana Resort, like the Hyatt property. And so there is a problem here because Hyatt has a lot of value. As you guys know, Hyatt's got the most value here. But a lot of their properties are not in the center of the city. And it's a little frustrating to deal with because I want that value. Guys, I want that freaking value so bad. But honestly, it's so hard to admit that Marriott might just be better because there's way more hotels. There's way more hotels in the middle of the city. Way more options to stay, and it just might be worth it. And I'm not saying that you shouldn't go do these all-inclusive resorts with Hyatt because they are good value. If you are looking for that kind of vacation, go ahead and do that. But for my style, I'm not looking for that. I am looking for an easy hotel. All right, so what's my plan on how to get there? As you guys know, I have that Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card opened up. I'm working on the sign-up bonus. But what's after that? Because, you know, I like to plan this out. All right, so I do have a few ideas. I was originally going to get the Chasing Cash, but I got distracted by the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless sign-up offer of 5 free nights, and I missed out on the Chasing Cash, and then guess what happened, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, that's right, like a week later, 90K offer on the Chasing Cash. This is just how the credit card game goes. I can't be too upset about it. Honestly, spending $6,000 in 3 months was a little much of a stretch for me the first time I did it, and I don't want to buy a bunch of Amazon points again, so you know what? I'm comfortable letting this one go. As for any other cards, well, I still want to get the World of Hyatt, but honestly, I'm realizing more and more, this card's just not that good. And if I were to get a Hyatt card, I think I want to get the Hyatt card that's going to be apparently coming out next year, like a $450 annual fee style card. Something to compete on the luxury hotel spectrum here. So that could be interesting. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know. I probably will have to be under 524. I don't know if I will be, but maybe it'll come out and I'll get that timing perfectly. I've already said this before, but I'm going right into that Ritz-Carlton craze. I want to get that card. Incidentals are sick. I'm trying to get that paid for, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to get the Ritz-Carlton product change happening in about September 14th, 2024. Honestly, I'm looking at all my different credit cards on here, and I just feel like I don't have enough. I mean, I'm really trying to get these sign-up bonuses, you know what I'm saying? So the Amex Platinum is on here. I do want to get that card. Too bad it just got nerfed a ton. $8,000 in 6 months. You know, that's doable. It's just a lot of spending, guys. That's a lot of spending. And, you know, I really want Clear. Clear is great. TSA PreCheck isn't enough for me. I just like showing up at the last second. I don't want to waste any time, and I need to just get through the line as fast as I can. I also want lounge access for some reason, even though I probably will be there for like 10 minutes. But you know, I want to get some free food really quick and then bounce. Like if I'm going to the Centurion Lounge, I want to eat the food, because it's free, right? I'm pretty sure it's free. I've never been. But it's free. Eat the food and then get out of there and get on the flight. Sometimes the Centurion Lounge is way far away from the gate that I'm flying at, so that's annoying. I've never been, again, but I've just looked on Google Maps because I'm a Google Maps enthusiast. Anyway, yeah, I want this Amex Platinum card because of these benefits, and membership rewards points are pretty nice. I'm trying to get at least 125K. 100K is fine, but I really don't want to get just 100K. I'd like to at least get the 125K offer. Apparently that's not going on anymore. And I pretty much watched it come and go about 5 different occasions on my Safari private browsing tab, and now I'm unable to get the 125K offer or even the 150K offer. And I actually pretty much can't get the 100K offer now either, so we're kind of stuck out of that one. And I might even just end up in pop-up jail after all this. This is why MX is annoying, a little bit frustrating, and why I do agree with you, Stan, because 524 is easy. It's all listed right out for you to start and figure out. You don't know what's gonna happen with Amex, and that's the dangerous part. So this might all change. What is it, like September right now? I mean, honestly, this is all like next year. Like, I have no idea what's gonna happen in 1 year, guys. Like you never know. And so at this point, I estimate that I would be at 624, which I said I was gonna get to 1024. Ooh, another thing I was thinking about, I know, just don't leave yet, is I was thinking about getting the green card. You know, the Amex green card, 60,000 points. It's pretty good. Unfortunately, you wanna know why I'm not gonna get the green card is because it just doesn't make enough value. It doesn't make sense. The positive value I'll be generating is about 200, 300 bucks per year. Compared to the Amex Platinum, it'll be about $600 for that card. Even after the huge annual fee, I gotta turn that back on. Unfortunately, the green card's not that good. And yeah, I literally live in New York and I take the subway all the time. And yeah, that's 3x back on transit, right? 3? Is it 3x back? Do you guys realize it's $290 now for the subway, which is really freaking annoying, dude. I literally I moved here and then a week later went up to $290. Anyway, $290 times 0.03 for 3x back is like, dude, that's like 9 membership rewards points. You know how many times you're gonna have to pay for the subway to really generate anything? It doesn't make sense. I know it gets 3x back on transit, but dude, for real, how much are you really spending on transit per month? $100 maybe? Like maybe? That's not a lot of membership rewards points. There's so many ways to make credit card setups, and you know, don't listen to one person. Don't even listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing all the way. I am sharing with you what I am experiencing, and maybe you can learn something for yourself. So don't copy me exactly. Copy me, but not too close. If you like what I like, then maybe copy me more. If you don't like what I like, then smash the like button and then you'll like it. I made my setup because it works for me, not for you. That's why it's called I Found the Best Credit Card Strategy of 2023. I guess it's my own favorite credit card strategy for 2023. But you know what, guys? It applies to a lot of you, so that's okay. And you know what, for you OGs that are still here for some reason, can you guys just click subscribe? Like, just click subscribe really quick. If you guys have like 4 or 5 more cards that I should get, like let me know in the comments below. I like to travel, I like to get free points, I like to fly, and I like to stay in hotels. Guys, I'm really close to 1,000 subscribers. I really want to hit that goal. It's been on my vision board for so long, if that even means anything. I really want to get 1,000.